In today's video, we shall discuss how to do the hierarchy and the effect of this hierarchy in the other visuals, and also make the overall progress and the manpower status toggle between the overall and the current. This current, it will be interactive with the hierarchy. So now let's make our hand dirty and enjoy the automation. First, let's add the visual for hierarchy. From build visual, 3 dots, get more visuals. Search about hierarchy slicer and then add. Now it's appear here. I recommend every time you want to design report, re-add the visual because there is some time another update. So let's add the hierarchy. I will add inside this hierarchy the phases and the work. So I have here the tree. As you can see here, we have a blanks in the hierarchy. So I will go to Format, Selection Control, Hide Member, Hide Empty. And I'll make the selection is single select. So here I have one click for each member. Let's make the size of the font more, about 20. So I have here the visual for phases and work inside it. I want also to add one layer to be the overall. So I will go to the PBS and I'll add new column. I call it overall equal overall as a text. I have here overall, so I can simply add it above the phases. So I have overall, and under it I have the phases, and under construction I have the work. So let's move it here. If I select overall, it will give me the overall progress 35.2 performance versus 28.8 planned, and the total manpower. You can compare it to Primavera. For procurement, there is no manpower and you have the progress 41 versus 0. If I select construction, then structure, you will find the same results of Primavera. Perfect. Make it smaller. If you see here the current progress, I have a problem that it is interact with the hierarchy. But I want this data to be not interactive with the hierarchy. So I will select any visual and go to Format and Edit Interactions. If I select now the visual for hierarchy, you see in the other visual I have 2 buttons, one for filter and one for stop filtering. So when I select the hierarchy and select none, it is returned back to the overall. Anytime I want to navigate or select inside the hierarchy, it is not interact. I'll do the same for the phases cost also. Select the hierarchy and then none. Go to work, none. So these charts and this data, it not interact with the hierarchy. Now I'll take a copy from these 3 visuals. Copy and paste. To make interaction about the overall progress, I will do like the previous video, bookmark toggle between 2 visuals. One overall, and I'll stop interaction between the hierarchy, select hierarchy and then stop. And the other one, it will be interact, so I can change the header to current and make another color. The same I will do for the manpower. Select the hierarchy, stop the interaction for the two, and change the color of the header. Like the previous video, let's open the bookmark and selection. Just arranging the data, I have current progress and the other overall progress. Let's add the first bookmark. I'll make it overall. Don't forget to select selected visuals. For the overall progress is show, current progress hide, actual progress show, planned progress show, the other visuals is hide. Then I will select all these visuals and update the bookmark. Let's add another bookmark. Again, from the three dots, selected visuals, double click, current. Now the overall will be hide, current show, hide, hide, show, show. Select all visuals and update. As you can see here, I have the two now. Let's make all show and then arrange the same like previous. The next step, it will be adding navigation for the bookmarks from insert, button, navigator, bookmark button. See, I have here all the bookmarks. I'll select the two bookmarks, right click, group them under progress. I will select the navigator from format bookmarks. Instead of all, I will select progress. So I have now the progress navigator. If I select overall, it will be interactive now. Excellent or perfect. In the next video, we shall discuss the final visuals in the report about the construction progress and the title interactive with the hierarchy. As a final step and field automation, we shall update the Primavera and export the data in the same file and then refresh our report to see the automation and see the changes in our report. Enjoy automation.